Welcome to ClickMyProject.com.
We are going to discuss about wheat disease classification using continuous learning. We are going to discuss about the overview of our project, that is the abstract. The main objective of our project is need to detect the disease which is present in our crops such as wheat using different deep learning algorithms. As wheat is one of the major crops worldwide, therefore accurate disease prediction in wheat plant is critical for mitigating effects and halting disease spread. Nowadays, the detection of diseases through images using machine learning and deep learning have achieved state-of-art results. Wheat plant is one of the major crops grows across the world. Its production is very determining for food requirement and the economic growth of many countries. To achieve this goal, we evaluated the performance of two common pre-trained deep learning models such as VGG19 and ResNet and compared their accuracy level when detecting the wheat disease or not. Finally, the system can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy and error rate for both algorithms and compare their algorithms based on the accuracy in the form of graph. This is our flow of our project. We need to collect a data set, wheat disease data set. So we need to choose one input image from our data set. The chosen input image is carried out to pre-processing step. So here we can resize the original image and grayscale conversion. The pre-processed image is carried out to feature extraction module. Here we can extract the features such as local binary pattern, then mean median variances. The extracted features is carried out to image splitting module. Here we can split the whole image into test and train. Test is used for prediction and train is used for evaluation. The splitted image is carried out to classification module. Here we can implement two different deep learning algorithms such as ResNet50 and VGG19. With the help of this algorithm, we can estimate some performance metrics such as accuracy, error rate and comparison graph, and we can predict either the input wheat image is occurred by disease or not. Now we are going to discuss about demo of our project. We are run our project in Spider IDE from Anaconda Navigator. Here we can choose one input image from our data set. This is our input image which are chosen from our data set, and pre-processing, that is a resize the original image and grayscale conversion. Then feature extraction. So this is the feature extraction value for mean, median and variance value. This is the result for feature extracted image such as a local binary pattern. Then image splitting. So image splitting, here this is the total number of images, total number of tests and total number of train. This is the convolutional VGG19 results, and this is the result for the ResNet and prediction. It will be identified a healthy weight, and it is a comparison graph for both ResNet and VGG19. So this is the output for our project. Thank you.